Oh, what am I doing? Oh, hi. Last year, we blah 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 did the handcuff challenge on the exact same day.
You mean handcuff myself? It's the most viral video. Please go check it out and this one out. But
okay, so you see these lame ones? Watch, I can break out of these. Hopefully that disaster doesn't go on. Ooh.
She did it, guys.
I just need to get the owie.
Why is my mouth on my mic?
Yes.
Okay, if you guys,
time.
if you want to skip over to the handcuff part, then go to about 1 minute.
This. It's metal. Watch. Hear that?
Yeah.
And maybe see that? I don't know.
Yeah. Okay.
No. So yeah.
Go. Get ready.
Pause it.
Actually, no, I'm not. I'm coming in this.
Finally, a video where it comes in. When you say
hey, I'm always in this.
Hey, why am I like almost like as tall as you when I'm in 4th grade and you're in like 7th?
How tall is your cousin? Yeah.
No. I'll watch him.
This is how it's done. Oh wait.
Okay, I can see. Oh, geez, not too much. There you go. Right there. What? Should I pause it? Whatever.
No.
Well, those are just kid ones. There's an easy way to get out.
Done. This is what I do. Pass me the older ones.
Now look at it's actually shining. How do you zoom in? You like zoom in. Do you just zoom out and zoom out?
Yeah.
Do I zoom in like on the using the camera?
Just show them. Show them.
How do I zoom in?
You don't need to.
Yeah, I do. They can't see.
Who's that?
Oh, it's.
I got this, guys.
Don't worry, I got this.
If you want to subscribe to my video, call.
I don't know what Anna's doing.
Okay, so see this.
Yes, good.
Don't know what.
Done.
Oh,
Just
you actually did that.
you want to see that up close.
No, too close. So yeah, I'll just be singing. I got my ticket for the long way round. Go check out that video. To buy whiskey for the way.
It's
And I
like somewhere.
like some sweet company.
It was posted
And
yesterday.
I'm leaving tomorrow. What do you say when I'm gone?
Get up if you want to start singing. Go.
Okay.
Here, I'll hear
I'm going under.
Come here.
I'm a Tennessee girl.
Here, I got this. Now you could go.
Okay.
Okay. Put your arm here. Put it there. No, it's like
You better give me a lot of subscribers, please.
subscribe if you want to see her.
I'm also wearing my pajamas, so.
You're never coming out.
Ah! Hey! Is it pointing to me?
Wait, I want to see it.
Robert!
Okay, fine. I have the key.
I'll go get.
No, I got the key. I got the key.
Owie! Why did I commit this?
Ow. Don't.
Yes, I'm pinching with my nails.
Ow.
Yes,
You
I
have to
got it.
work.
Okay.
This is what you get.
Got it.
But that's what you get for committing to a life of YouTube.
Oh, no, you committed. started in like August, whatever. August 15th.
Yeah, but you chose to be in my videos.
Says Jacob.
I told you you don't have to be in them.
Am
You're
I
like,
cool?